I'm win or lose tonight.
Okay, guys.
It costs to live this type of life. Yeah, she said I might move tonight, but only if that price is right. Yeah.
Keep like consistency in the head in terms of motivation and determination and the focus on the game in terms of like pressing, losing the second balls and everything like this. If I analyze your games against Kuressaare, we always concede. We always concede against them. I don't know what the fuck with us, like a magnet there. So guys, just I want to see our quality. And I know that we have so much quality and I cannot accept that we can concede from Kuressaare. All respect to them. They also good players, but we must be much higher than them. And it's not only about, believe me, back four. No, not about Jari, not about Merits. No, to keep zero, everyone from Anjer till like Merits must to defend and must to show that you wish to not to concede the goal. Everyone. And this is what I want to see there, because again and again we will score them goal. Believe me, even if it's good game, we score them 10 goals. But I want to see that we keep zero back, guys. And this is just about responsibilities and wish. Okay? Let's go.
To make the lose, just set the shoes, it's alright. Alright. Never lose, taking the dues, it's alright. Alright. I said don't lose yourself in that mud, cause it get rainy all the time, she on the ball forever. So right now, it's too many singles on the ground, yeah. She said I'm a freak, but I'm not promiscuous. I like shit discreet, she ain't know what the difference was. Say she wanna come back just to smoke and chill with us. I told her get a taxi, I hopped up in my Sprinter bus. You pulling up in the Maybach and
Okay guys, perfect day. Again, to make a conclusions, to become better, go there and make your best. Okay? Let's go.
Remember the meeting what we had yesterday? Now is the time to put these words into action. We are ready, boys. Let's go. 1, 2.
Vamos guys, come on! Go.
We will play like this. Salester will come inside. Now Salester will be left back, Mo will go right back. But when we make a build up, everything is the same. Mikey, Nicky, just Salester will be instead of Vitor in the build up. It's your best game so far than what I saw this season, man. Please, like, focus on this and don't drop level. You are perfect player, man. Keep the same. Chambi, the same. Suso, well done. Hrim, finally, this top now. Continue, guys. Just what I want you to not drop the level of your performance. You perform so good and keep the same. You look so fucking solid. They don't have any chance, but just these stupid penalties.
Go, go, go!
This guy El Polo Loco, eh?
Loco, crazy.
El Polo Loco, eh?
Venga! Venga! Venga, Andalucía, Granada!
Nyt se on siellä pulkaa koko loppu.